Hello, wonderful people, and today we're going to learn how to create table of content in Microsoft Word. So please stick and stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of this channel. All right. So first of all, you open your Microsoft Word, and I assume you already have your document which you want to create your table of content for. So first of all, one of the things I want you to take note of is you should know where your headings and then your subheadings are. So your heading is the bigger or the top level, you know, top level, and then you have the subheading being under the heading. So we have to know where our subheading and our sub heading are. Then we can then set it up. Then the program automatically will generate the table for us. I see a lot of people manually typing the table of content, which is not the best and the right way. So I'm going to teach you how to do this in the simple and right way. All right, with that said and done, let's just jump in. So this is my document. You can see I have a main heading, or and I have main heading and the subheading and the subheading and the subheading and that in the main heading. Yes, I want you to right now go through all your documents and then find out your main heading and then your subheading. Then definitely we will highlight our headings. Let's target only the headings for now. Then we'll go to the subheadings and then we will create the table of content. So we highlight this and then we click on heading 1 here. Now you notice that when we click on heading 1, the format changes. So we are going to reset the format back to what we used to have. So we go to the font, then we choose Book Antiqua font, click on the font color to be black, bold, and then we reduce it. So this is our original thing. Then subsequently, I'm going to highlight and press on the format painter and then paint on the major headings or the headings. Only the headings for now. Marketing strategies, a heading, not a subheading. I'm also going to paint on that one. Click on the format painter. I think that is all that we have for our headings. So now we're going to jump onto our subheadings. So I will highlight a subheading, the first subheading, click on heading 2. You see the format changes. We are going to change it back to our main format, which is Book Antiqua 12 and black font. Then we go to bold. Alright, so I'm going to highlight this one and the format painter. I'm going to highlight this one, the format painter, and then brush on the subheadings. Didn't do it well. I'm going to brush on the subheading. Brush on the subheading. Brush on the subheading. Brush on the subheading. And then brush on the subheading. Then we're going to brush on the subheading again. Click on it, brush on the subheading. Click on it, brush on the subheading. I think that is that for the document. So now we have our subheadings and our headings all kind of registered in the memory. So we click on a blank new page, then we go to our references tab and then we choose table of content, then we press the first one, boom, and already we have our table of content done. The good thing about this thing is that should you in case have your pages numbers changing, for example, I want to put my intro, I want to leave a page and put my intro on the third page, something like this, on the third page like this. I'll need not to go over the whole thing again and then struggle. Just right click on this, click on this small arrow and then update table. You update the entire table and you can see that initially our introduction was on page 2. Now when we update the entire table, it moves to still 2 and 3. Let me check. Yes, on page 2. You can see that the rest are on another page. So you can see that the table of content and then the market analysis and then the marketing strategy, the operations plan, everything has been updated accordingly. So that's a good thing about this. You need not to manually type everything, select your table of content as easy as possible. Thank you very much.